how do we define if someone is serious about you or just keeping you around? Well, it's actually very present. You listen to what they do instead of listening to what they say. Um, it's right there. Someone who's serious will not make you feel anxious. They will explain, they will be present, they will stick around even when it complicates them, even when they're busy. They make time for you than others, but that's not always a valid reason. There are more important things sometimes than the relationship, but you would know when someone is serious. They are completely present in your life every single day, even in small ways of saying good morning, good evening, I'm home. Um, it makes you feel at peace and not love bombing kind of way, where it was all just perfect at the beginning and it stopped. And that's very different from someone who's not serious in it. Like when we talk about not serious people, they stick around to keep you around, and it's usually self motivated, or sometimes they need validation from you, they seek attention from you, they lust over you, they need something of you, and then they're not completely present. They're just there, satisfying very small things, but doesn't make you feel secure in your future, doesn't make you feel secure when you feel anxious about a problem within the relationship. They are less likely to communicate and they're more likely to leave you hanging in middle of the conversation, leave you hanging middle of the night crying, leave you hanging when you're having a hard time. People who are serious won't try to hurt you, leave you. They prioritize you as much as they can. It's not gonna be always accurate, but you will feel it that they are present, that they are there, that they are supporting you. And it leaves you no doubt. We should not ever ignore our emotions just because we want someone around. We are far more important than that. Our time is precious. Give it to people who are willing on the stability of knowing they choose you. The right person won't make you chase clarity.